extra hot forex. So let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So we saw the market moving yesterday, which is a good thing. Let's start with NASDAQ. Yes, I don't really feel good, guys. Okay, so we can see that NASDAQ, it's NASDAQ. Let's just start with 4 hours. 4 hour time frame, guys. So let me just remove everything so that you can see clearly. So this is our chart. You can see everything is just moving like crazy or very strong uptrend. You can see that from this area. You can see the market is just pushing higher. So here at least we had a small, let me just zoom that for you. We had a very nice rejection, but it was very quick. You know how the market is. So around this area, if you still remember, I was talking about this area for the market to bounce back here, and the market really bounced to reach this area but just ran off, you see. So we got the market here. I think we just hit and run. We just took some very quick trades before we get out. So let me draw those trend lines so that you can understand what's really happening and what you can expect today, guys. This flu, guys, I don't really feel good, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's see. Yeah, everything's just like this. So I just want to show you something. So let's try to force this one to come closer. So already you can see the bigger picture. Let me just bring this here. You can already see the bigger picture of what's really happening. So what you can expect, obviously you should expect the market to pull, or sorry, to give you that small sell off. So what I'm talking about is a sell off. I'm talking about something like this. When the market is moving like this, you can see here, you're waiting for something like this, which you can see here, you see. So I just want to show you that here, this kind of a move. Here the market did not bounce back, is just bounced once, but here it's very clear. So let's see here. Here at least the market bounced back. The market at least bounced back before it pushes up. But I think this time I was already out of the market. I did not see that because I saw the first one. I saw this one. We did eat here, but this one I never saw. Maybe I was asleep, maybe. So what can we expect today? So what you can do here is to draw a very simple lines, guys. I just want to make this quick before I start to sneeze. So you see, this is a line that you can, that I was expecting. So it means we have to wait for the market to give us something. So the best way, let's just go to a bit smaller time frame so that we can see the bigger picture. So let's see. Yeah, you can see the market created some nice move, guys. So it means we need that higher high or higher low or whatever, something that we can rely on. When the market bounces back, we can rely on something. We have to draw something like this because sometimes the market will take time to reach our support, but it doesn't mean that we're supposed to miss those trades, you see. So it means we can have something like this. When the market bounce back, we can push higher, you see. So but I don't see that clearly. I don't really see that. I don't see something like this clearly. So it means I don't know if maybe it will be around this area or around this area. So let me just go and use a very small time frame so that maybe we can get something. Let's make this one auto. I don't know which one we should use here. It means if we don't know, I don't know, you can see this, it's not like maybe here, but that is not like accurate, guys. So the best thing that you can do is you just have to wait for the market to give you some like easy thing, that something that is perfect that you can see easily, because we're waiting for something like a pullback, something like this, or so the market is still pushing higher, so we're waiting for something like that. Even if we don't reach our support here, then maybe let's say here, maybe like 14,700, maybe there, yeah, maybe here at 14,700, maybe we can expect the market to push back, sell off before we can reach that. If that we don't see that, if we don't see that happening, remember we still have our support here. We still have our support, which, okay, so you can see that we have a very nice support here that we should rely on. Obviously we should rely on this support. So what do we want here? We need something, maybe the market to reach this. I already told you 14,000. Let me just do a line so that you can see that somewhere here. Yeah, this, it will be our new higher low. Let me remove this ones, or let me not remove those, but this one, they are no longer valid, so you can remove those. Maybe we left with this ones now. So it means for the market, for us to jump on the market, it means we have to see a small sell off to reach this area. Then we can say we can just push up again, or around this level where it's like 14,600, maybe this area, and we can push up again. But if those areas are broken, maybe the market is breaking that, we will be relying on our support again. If it's broken, it means maybe the market will just sell off, you see. If that doesn't happen at the moment, obviously I don't see that happening at the moment, but now NASDAQ, it's overbought, guys. It's like flying high for now. But if maybe we have like a small sell off, then we can say, yeah, now we're ready to push up again. But this push, guys, it's easy to miss them. It's very easy to miss them, because the market just go crazy. Then you won't see a perfect structure for you to enter. So the best thing that you can do to stay safe is to use a proper risk management, small lot sizes. You know what to do. Then you can be in the game longer, because the aim is to be in the game longer. The aim is not to show people that you are a trader. The aim is to be in the game. So while you are in the game, you will see the ups and downs of the market, so you can make your profits and you can continue creating your wealth. So my overview for today, I'm just going to ignore NASDAQ for today. I'm just waiting for NASDAQ to sell off before I can say maybe I will just try to buy. Maybe I want the market to reach like 14,700 or 14,600, where this will be my points to say now it's time to buy, you see. So but at the moment I don't see that. I'm just waiting for the market, and it seems like it's still very bullish. So unfortunately we are not in the trades. We also killed US30. So let's go straight to US30 and see what we can get there. Yeah, so here we are on US30. So I've been talking about this resistance here. If you check my previous video, I've been preaching about that every day. So we saw a very nice breakout. Let me zoom that so that you can see. You see the support that I was talking about, that I wanted the market to break before we can sell, you see. So we had this support here. I hope if you followed this, maybe you saw whatever that I was talking about. So we have a nice support here, but we reached the resistance. So this support was respected. You can see the support was respected. So we can draw the line like this. So the market was just playing around here. Then guess what? The market broke that. Let me just try to zoom that. I want you to see exactly what I'm trying to show you here. So we saw a nice, very nice, straightforward, very nice and straightforward. I just, yeah, something like this. So after this support is broken, you can see a very nice retest here before the market go crazy. So this lines is where I told my student or my members to say you should enter the market around here. The market was still around here, I think. So I told them to enter around here. Then the market reached this area and retested before we can see another nice sell-off that I was talking about for days now. So you can see that the market is really doing some nice, and we made some nice profit, and it was very very quick. So if if maybe you never followed the strategy, you can see that this is a nice breakout which we use to trade. So we just got on the market, we saw a small retest, then boom, the market is selling off. So now early today, I think we got the market around here, around, yeah, somewhere here. Then we made some nice profit, but now I'm already out because the profit was very very nice. Let's go to a bit okay, already it's a bit smaller time frame. I just wanted to see on a bigger time frame if maybe we can expect something. So let's see if we can expect something. So it seems like the market is creating this nice bullish momentum again, but remember, we still very close to our resistance. So it means maybe we can try now. We can try to draw another support from this area and try to connect this and see what's really happening with that. So let's try that, because we have to change this like every day. You can see that really makes sense. That really makes sense. So it means I should remove the old ones. Let me remove the old ones. So we just waited for for US30 to give us those nice profits. So it means now the market created this structure. You can see the structure. It's also similar to the one that was here. So you can see it's been here, but since the market was here, we were looking at this one now. So it means now we back on another one which is a bit bigger. So it means from this area we can see the market reaching this area again, like reaching our resistance, which is around 3,000, 35,000. So maybe we still need that breakout, guys, for us to be in the game. If maybe you are still in, it's fine, but around this area you should just lock your profit. Make sure you don't lose your profits. So we're waiting for the market to break our resistance before we can have another, like, scaling up, another nice buy. Or maybe if we see the market coming closer here, I think the market will just consolidate around this wedge. This is a wedge, it's a very nice wedge. So it means we can expect maybe the market to consolidate around here before we can see another breakout, maybe on the bullish side or maybe on a bearish side. So it's up to us to wait and see those nice moves. We don't have to jump on the market, because every time when we wait, we kill the market nicely. But when we jump on it before we can have that nice moves, then sometimes we lose. So we just have to wait here and see if the market is going to play like that. If we see that breakout is what we want, if we see another breakout like on our support, is also what we want, guys. So we just have to play by the rules. So let's go straight to gold and see what's happening on gold. Okay, so now we are on gold, guys. This is a 4-hour time frame. Unfortunately, I just missed this one also. Sometimes you will miss some, guys, but we also get some. So you see, I have drawn this resistance for some time now. It's been here maybe for 2 weeks now. So yes, last I also drawn this. We can see the market broke here, but we never saw that retest. I talked about this yesterday and say we can wait for that retest, and this is a perfect retest. Now the market is flying again. But let's check on a smaller time frame. I think you're going to see a nice bigger picture. Let's see that this is an hour time frame. You can see that this is a very nice breakout, an aggressive breakout. This was our nice resistance breakout, nice retest gave us 2 chances here. Now if you entered, you are in a nice profit. But if you did not take that, it's also fine. We missed some. I was focusing on US30 and we did make some nice profits. And That's why maybe I miss the gold, guys. So most of the time when I make profits, I just get out. I don't stay long in the market, so that's why maybe I miss some. I make profits, I close all the charts and relax and do something different. Why? Because I don't have to be in the charts the whole day. So the best thing is know your trading plan, and I'm trying to do this every day so that my students or my members to get used to this. When they make profit, I don't really send much of the signal. Then we can relax and refresh. Tomorrow is another day, so that we can have a fresh mindset. Because sometimes when you go on the market, when you make some profit, sometimes you're not going to win all the signals, you see. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Let's grow the channel. Thanks to everyone who already subscribed. If you want to contact me, check my description. My contacts, Telegram, WhatsApp me if you want to be in the group. Don't ask people on the comments because they will give you the wrong information. Thank you guys for watching. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bam.